Hello students, I am Meenakshi Khamkar, Computer Engineering Department from Vidyalankar Polytechnic. In this video, we are going to learn about mouse events, how mouse events are handled using different methods and listeners. So first we will see output. In this output, you can see different mouse related actions. I am moving this mouse pointer. You can just check in status bar moving mouse at, and it is displaying new x and y coordinates. Changing x and y coordinates are displayed in status bar. Now mouse is inside this location, so mouse entered. When I place this mouse outside this window, it is giving message mouse exited. When I enter, it is giving message mouse entered. Mouse entered, mouse exited. Now mouse pointer is moving, so moving mouse at an x coordinate and y coordinate. Now suppose I click, mouse click message is displayed, and you pressed mouse. That message is also displayed. You pressed mouse. You pressed mouse and mouse clicked. Okay. Now after pressing, drag this mouse pointer. It is giving message dragging mouse. And stop dragging this mouse pointer. It is giving message you release the mouse. So these are all actions. Actions are called as events. So these are all events related to mouse. Now in this program we will see how these actions are handled by different methods and respective listener. So now this is a program for getting that output. Event handling, we require this package java.awt.event.star. For all AWT programs, applet program, we require these two packages, java.awt.star, java.applet.star. After this, HTML code is required for displaying applet. Next. Now, first step is for event handling. First step is event handling package. Second step is we have to implement respective listeners. So for mouse listener, we can either use mouse listener or mouse motion listener, or we can use both the listeners. Now, mouse listener has 5 methods and mouse motion listener has 2 methods. Which are they? That we will see after this in this program only. First, remember, for handling events, second step is we have to specify which listener we have to use. So in this program we are using mouse listener and mouse motion listener. In this line, one more concept is clear, that at a time we can implement more than one listener. Mouse listener is one listener and mouse motion listener is second listener. So we can implement more than one listener at a time. Okay? Next. Next is mouse x and mouse y. These are two variables for storing x coordinate and y coordinate. Third step for event handling, important third step for event handling is add mouse listener registration methods. Which two registration methods? Add mouse listener and add mouse motion listener. Now these are methods, so you have to write a small. Then we are using mouse listener, that's why we have to write add mouse listener. And second listener is mouse motion listener. So we have to write add mouse motion listener and into bracket this. So these two lines are called as registration of listener. Why do we register any listener? For telling that we are going to perform different mouse related events. Mouse click, mouse entered, mouse exited. So these are different events related to mouse. So we are informing listener that we are going to use these methods, these events in this program. Third step. And after that, fourth step is method for handling those events. Now which methods we are using? The mouse listener interface has five methods. Which five methods? Mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, and mouse released. These five methods belongs to mouse listener. And second listener is mouse motion listener. Mouse motion listener has two methods. Which two methods? Mouse drag related to mouse motion, mouse drag and mouse move. These two methods belongs to mouse motion listener. Okay. Now we'll see each method one by one. Now when we click mouse clicked, that time this message is displayed on screen, mouse click, and its position is X position and Y position is given. After that, mouse entered. When we enter into that screen, this mouse entered message is displayed at this X and Y positions. Mouse exited. When we exit from that window, this message mouse exited message is displayed at X position and Y position, X0, Y10. When we pressed mouse, message is displayed you pressed mouse. Now wherever you have pressed that mouse, at that particular point this message will be displayed, not at this position. We have taken same X coordinate and Y coordinate for previous three messages: mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse click. For these three messages we have used X coordinate 0 and Y coordinate 10. But mouse drag, for mouse drag, for mouse pressed, we need current location of window. Wherever you are clicking, that current position is taken by these two methods, getX, me.getX and me.gety. These methods getX and gety will save your current X coordinate and Y coordinate, and at that point this message will be displayed. You pressed mouse. Okay. After that, mouse release. When after dragging, when you release mouse pointer, when you stop dragging, that time again your message is displayed. You release the mouse. And where this message should be displayed? At that current position. So that current position is given by two methods, getX and gety method. Next two methods, mouse drag. When you drag mouse, it is giving message dragging mouse, and this message should be displayed at current position. Wherever you drag your mouse pointer, at that place this message should be displayed. So उसके लिए कौन सा मेथड यूज किया है? सेम मेथड, getX and gety. After that, when you move your mouse, at status bar you can see in this output. When you move your mouse at this status bar, message is displayed moving mouse at X and Y coordinate. So this action is captured by this method mouse moved, and it is displayed using show status method. What is displayed? Moving mouse at. After that we require two coordinates, and it is given by X coordinate is given by getX method and Y coordinate is given by gety method. and after that in paint. All these messages are displayed using drawstring and at current location of x, given location of x and y position. So this is your output of this program. Different mouse event, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse clicked, mouse pressed, dragging mouse, releasing mouse, and mouse moving at x and y, different x and y positions.